movers and shakers. I'm on the move. So I'm just going to say I'm Tammy from the Empower Innovate movement. That's why you're movers and shakers. I'm a strategic life refiner, which means I just refine. I refine business, personal, through a bunch of different things. So right now I'm on my way because I walk the talk, right? I take a pause when I need it. I'm intentional about getting rest, relaxation, rejuvenation, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm on my way to the NAC, which is the National Arts Center. I'm going to go see Mamma Mia. And I just wanted to say that because I also have the Flex and Reflex, which is an intentional pause for a positive mental wellness workshop. So this is a meeting for both things. So it's about pausing, me living authentically and taking the pause, rejuvenating myself. I've been preparing, so I just need a little bit of a breather, and you, so that you can also say, hey, I need a pause. I need to come to Flex and Reflect Saturday, August 15th, 7 to 10 p.m. at the Rockcliffe Park Community Center. It's 380 Springfield Road. So I'm really looking forward to seeing many of you guys there. Thank you for your messages. Thank you for your encouragements. Thank you for the engagement. Keep it going. We're on the countdown, guys. Today's August 1st or 2nd, whatever it is. And we're counting down to August 15th. So see you soon. Bye.